Hey everybody, today I will be showing you a new train sim that I just got. Here we go. This is the train right here I got. So here's the train. It's 11:56. Now, here's the train that we will be riding today. It's not time for it to leave yet, but this is what the train really looks like. I'll walk down the platform to show you what it's like. Gotta slow down to show you the engine. The engine is what controls this train. This bad boy. This good boy. This very good boy. Very good boy. Here's what the engine looks like. Looks like if I want to drive it. There's some more engines over here. We got 1, 2, 3 trains right here. Now, despite the fact, I'm just gonna wait for the train to leave. Just gonna wait for the train to leave. Waiting. But while we wait, I really like to show the inside of the train. So, just gonna wait. It's another 2 minutes in game time. In the game, it's 2 minutes. Yeah, I don't know. I'm pointing north. I'm walking north. I'm walking. So here's the train it goes. I could open the door, but don't want to. Don't know how to climb back up. No. In the next minute or so, the doors will open in the game. In the next minute or so, in the game, the doors will open. We will definitely get to go. Let's do it in 5 minutes. It's a double decker train. Sorry about the time. I could turn the top to the bottom. Now on this nice view, it's a little cloudy in the game. They put me as a cloud. They put the weather cloudy in the game. Guys. Guys, the doors are finally open. Hooray! We're now on the train. So here we are. Here we are. I'm just going to take my seat. No seats down here. I'm just going to sit up high because I like to sit up high. Hi, we're going to go back. Gonna go over to the next car. As the doors will close soon. Doors will close like very soon. We'll be off our way. It's like more like the next car. Next car is like more like it. I'll get the door open. The doors close. I'm gonna take my seat, which will be right here. Here we are, out the window. But I'll come back to this seat when the door's closed. Door's gonna close soon. I think the doors will close in like 30 seconds. The door's been open long enough. And we are inside the train. Hey, here we go. Yeah, alright. Oh no, I can't open the doors, but here we go. Oh, I opened the doors. Here we go. Really broke the door. Oh no. Gonna go back towards my seat. I'm gonna sit right here, and here we are. Oh, I gotta sit with someone. I'm definitely gonna sit on the other side. Nice and empty. Here we go. We are moving. Now we are literally moving. So as we move, we go closer and closer to where we want to go. There we go. Now, here it is. Train will go. And we are off and on our way. But I'm gonna do something you should really like. This is the game. I want to go back to those doors for a second. I think I really broken them. I think they were really broken. It's really broken if I open it. Oh no, I broke it. I broke them. Am I allowed to jump off like the back of the train? He would use the guardrail. Oh, I'm not allowed to go off the back of the train. Look, I can easily see what's going in the back. I would just love to sit on top. Definitely like to be on top of the train. So quickly crack. Here we go. It's a perfect view of the window. No seats. Perfect. We are moving. So I gotta go to the next car because we will be sitting forward. But it is the train we are on. We're curving. Kirby snacks. Kirby snacks. Now climb upstairs. Still next car. So now we walk to the next car. So we walk through to the next car. And there we go. Perfect seats. I'm supposed to go up right here. So I'm supposed to go. Oh, we're going to do a crossing. Here are the gates. Now here we go. Perfect window. Perfect spot of the window. Perfect. Now, I will show right here, because we're in the tunnel. I don't like seeing tunnels. Don't want you seeing more. Now, this is gonna be like coming to the end of the game. It's gonna be like the end, showing the end. Well, we still got 1 more minute. We are outside. We should be at the station soon. We are at the station. Perfect. We are at the station. I'll be getting off here, which will end my train journey. This will end my train journey. And the train journey right here. This will end it right here. Just for now. This will end right